When I first walked into Cal Teach 1, I was a little nervous because I was in a middle school class, but by the end, I felt super confident leaving that and going into my next internship adventure. My name is Natalie Schultz. I'm a fourth-year Ecology and Evolutionary Biology major, and I'm in the Cal Teach program. I decided, let me give Cal Teach a try, and from that first internship, I was placed in a middle school classroom, and I just loved it. Working with the students was super fun. It was such an amazing experience, and getting to practice being a teacher myself in that classroom made me want to continue forth with Cal Teach projects. Cal Teach really helped show me that education is the pathway for me through having this in-classroom experience. I am super excited to be coming back to UCSC next year, 26-27, for the Master's and Credential Program in Education, as well as student teaching next year with Santa Cruz City Schools. I've gotten a lot of support in Cal Teach in learning about lesson plans, education standards, as well as future professional support in applying to programs. I think this has put me onto the right path, and I'm excited for what the future will hold for sure.